Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I just finished doing my home workout and I'll go take a shower and get ready to go home to my parents' home because I'm really bored in here and I'm alone. Okay guys, come with me. I don't know guys if you can see that. Change. So, first I need to tidy up my bed before I take a shower because it's really hot in here. And after taking a shower, we'll have a shower because it's I don't know the ones. I only bought this like 2 weeks ago, and though it's really thin already because it's really cheap. Don't buy cheap things. So, I don't know. I'm thinking what I'm going to wear. I don't have clothes. And my order from Shein haven't arrived yet. Okay, just I think I'm gonna wear this more. I'll take a shower now. I'll see you later. Guys, I just finished taking a shower. Half hour.
Online home service client, English, TVs.
Ano lang yung nilakay ko yung extra siguro, di ba? Hindi. So, itaas mo na lang na sa ikaw na yung nasa?
Go back to work, everyone.
Renovation? Gano'n mo?
Ay, mas maganda po kayo na.
Are you married? Happily married?
Yes, ma'am. Masaya naman kami. Yung asawa ko, naging boyfriend ko since high school kami. Hanggang sa ayun na nga, kinasal kami. Tapos nagkaroon kami isang anak. Mag-18 years old na siya. Malapit nga lang pala dito yung trabaho ng asawa ko. Isa siyang stay-out-of-care caregiver. Kayo ma'am, kasal na ba kayo? Ikaw pa kayo?
Oo, may boyfriend ako. Actually, mas matanda na ako sa akin, pero nuknuk ko ako. At saka, hindi lang siya basta ako. Maghan, maalaga, at saka magaling siya sa maraming bagay.
Sige, po kasi
I'm happy for you, Ma'am Didi. Sana mag-propose na sa inyong water na, no?
Sana.
Don't forget my empty wallet.
Bakit din? Bakit naman tumama? Basta, pag nanalo kayo, balatungan mo ito.
Oh, Rachel, sa'yo, yung mabubuksan? Oo nga.
Ibahin mo lang. Ay, basta mas mali ha, dahil mo tatandaan. Hindi mo lang kami mga kablonista. Mga kaibigan mo rin kami. Kamutan na mo.
변호사님은 왜 변호사가 되고 싶었어요?
어떡해요?
좋은 집에서 태어나서 쉽게 변호사를 당신 같은 사람이
Saan dyan ako?
Hi, miss. Ano ka di, Papa?
Papa?
Sige.